Hello everyone, good afternoon. We are going to start the session within 1 or 2 minutes. I think we need to wait for 2 more minutes so that everyone can join. Okay, so let's start the session. First of all, are you getting the proper voice and screen from my side? Okay, thank you. So today we will discuss about the section of solid, right? Only two things remaining in our syllabus, that is the section of solid and development. Both are very interesting and short topics. So let us discuss about the section of solid. Let us see the animated example over here. Then after we will see the example from our tutorial book. Right. So what is the section of solid? If we cut the any solids, right, and then after if we observe the area which is going to be cut, see over here. If I am cutting like this, then from the top we can observe this kind of circle. So that is known as what? Section of solid. That is known as what? Section of the action of cutting is called the sectioning solid. Right. The action of cutting. The plane of cutting is called the section plane. The plane of cutting is known as what? A section plane. So these are the very important things, right? Just take the screenshot. No need to write it down. It will take time. So note it down later on. You can take the screenshot right now. So, what is the section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP? Right. This section plane appears as a straight line in the front view. These are the common things, right? You can understand this thing now because now you already completed the orthographics, projection of plane, projection of line. Section plane perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP. Right. This section plane appears as a straight line in the top view. This is the graphical representation, right? Graphical representation. See, this is the square pyramid. Okay, front view and top view of the square pyramid. And if we are cutting the square pyramid like this, from the top, it is going to look like this. Just observe the figure. Okay. So this is the graphical representation of the section. Okay. And one more important thing over here. See, if we are cutting this pyramid like this is the section plan at particular angle, right? If we are cutting like this, and if you observe in the top view, so in the top view it is not parallel to us. Okay, ये हमारे parallel नहीं है, right? Whatever the section generated over here, that is not parallel to us. It is having some angle, right? अगर आप इसको imagine करो कि आप ऊपर से देख रहे हो, इसको ऊपर से देख रहे हो तो ऐसा दिखेगा, लेकिन ये हमारे parallel नहीं है, ये थोड़ा angle पे है. And if this is at angle means we cannot observe the true shape. तो इसका true shape नहीं दिखने को मिलेगा हमें. Right. So we are making the true shape over here also. How to draw this kind of example that we will see in detail, don't worry. Right. But this is just concept, what we are going to do. We are going to cut this kind of solid, then after we are going to make the front view and top view after cutting, and then after we'll make the true shape of the section, right? True shape of the section. Here few example, right? Here it is the first one, that is a cone, right? If we are cutting like this, then it is going to look like a triangle from this side. If we cut the cone from here like this, then you can observe the ellipse. If you cut the cone like this, you can observe the parabola, right? Parallel to the axis, then hyperbola, right? If we cut this cylinder like this at angle, you can observe the ellipse. And here is a square pyramid, right? Square pyramid. And if you cut the square pyramid, you will have the trapezium. This is the name of the shape, trapezium. These are the few examples, just for example. How to draw it, we'll see in the example. So first of all, just note it down the question. Just note it down the question in your book, sketchbook. Yes, and after the end of this example, you have to draw from your side. So be ready with sketchbook and drawing instrument, right? You need to draw the example. Once I complete from here, यहाँ से मैं जैसे complete करूँगा आपको draw करना है. So be ready with drawing instrument and sketchbook. Sketchbook और drawing instrument के साथ ready रहिए. And now note down this question in the sketchbook. अभी sketchbook में ये note down कीजिए. The question. Okay. So let's discuss the question first. I hope you have noted down this thing. A pentagonal prism, 30 mm base side and 50 mm axis, is standing on HP on its base, whose one side is perpendicular to VP. It is cut by a section plane 45-degree inclined to HP through the midpoint of axis. Through the midpoint of axis. Draw the front view, sectional top view, sectional side view. Also draw the true shape of section and development of surface of remaining solid. So what is the development of surface that we will discuss in this chapter also, in this question. Okay, yes, you can rejoin if you are facing any issue. Shreyas, you can rejoin, no problem. Done. So let us look at the solution of this question. And before the solution, one more time I want to repeat the question, because the understanding of question, that is a very important. Pentagonal prism is there, 30 base, so base size is 30 and height is 50 It's standing on HP on its base, whose one side is perpendicular to VP. So it's a pentagon and one side of the pentagon is perpendicular to VP. It is cut by section plane 45 degree. Right, it is cut by section plane 45 degree inclined to HP through the midpoint of axis. So it's easy, right? We have to just cut the section plane from the midpoint of center axis, and the angle is 45 degrees. So how to draw? Right. First of all, we are making the reference line. Right. We are making the reference line. Now I'm starting the solution. Everyone, please focus here properly. Right. Kindly focus here properly. Then after you have to solve this example from your side. Okay. So first of all, make the reference line. This is, or we can say it's XY line, right? And this is the pentagonal prism top view, right? One of its side is perpendicular to VP. That means what? This is the side. If you observe this side, see this is the HP, horizontal plane. This is the VP, right? Vertical plane. So if you just imagine this thing in the 3D, at that time this line is at perpendicular to the VP. राइट अगर आप 3D में इमेज करो इसको तो ये क्या हुआ परपेंडिकुलर टू VP राइट so first of all you have to make the pentagon like this having the size 30 base right and this is the center point this is what a center point means this is the pentagonal prism so you have to make the prism front view like this is the front view of the prism don't be confusing between the prism and pyramid prism means what the bottom side bottom side and top side is equal and in the pyramid it is looks like this right all things are combining at one point that is what a pyramid but here it is a prism right this is what a prism this is the center axis right center axis for the center axis you have to find the center point and you have to make the center line like this okay so this is the similar to the section of solid जो हमने पहला चैप्टर किया मींस पहला पोर्शन था इस चैप्टर में उसके जैसा ही है राइट now this is the section line right now this is the section line the section line is having the angle 45 degree if you observe the angle from here it's a 45 degree and it is passing through the midpoint of this axis this is the midpoint and angle is 45 okay so you have to make this center line and if you observe in the center line you will have the one point over here this is the one point and 2 points will be here B and E so 2 points will be here and C and D point will be here so now you have to imagine that this portion is not there we are removing this portion ये पोर्शन हमने निकाल दिया ऐसा ही सोचना है अगर ऐसा आप करोगे तो टॉप व्यू क्या बनेगा टॉप व्यू में पूरा सेक्शन जो है वो हमें कटा हुआ दिखेगा राइट we can see that the entire top view is in the cutting section right so now this is the side view okay how to make the side view that is the same as the orthographics we are making the line at 45 degree then after projection from this top view and projection from this front view means this new point right from all this point we are making the projection now identify the point these are the points okay A B C D A to A B to B C to C D to D like that and E to E so this is the side view okay if we rotate this prism in front of us like this right if you observe from this side at that time it is going to looks like this one okay and top view is also be a sectional, because if you observe from the top side after cutting, तो मतलब पूरा सरफेस जो है उसमें ये कटिंग ही दिखेगा, ओरिजिनल हमें ऊपर का निकल चुका है, राइट. So this is the section of solid, right? This is the section of solid. इसको बोलते हैं section of solid. Now second thing comes over here, that is a true shape. See यहाँ पे देखो, after the cutting, this portion is it parallel to us? No, it is not parallel. This portion, is it parallel to us? No, it is not parallel. If we observe the true shape, at that time we have to draw the shape which is parallel to us. So make the perpendicular line from all this point A, B and E, C and D, right? For making the true shape. Okay, this is the perpendicular line from all point, and this is the another XY line, right, which is parallel to this cutting section, Okay. Now identify the points. Okay, identify the points. How to identify the points? You have to take the measurement from this XY line to A, and you have to mark the point A from here to here. इस ओरिजिनल XY लाइन से A पॉइंट आपको कंपास में ओपन करना है, और ये XY लाइन से यहाँ पे आर्क लगाना है. देन आफ्टर ओरिजिनल XY लाइन से E पॉइंट, और यहाँ से E पॉइंट, ओरिजिनल XY लाइन से B पॉइंट, और यहाँ पे B पॉइंट, लाइक दिस. Okay, so you have to plot the same points from here to here. Whatever the distance is there, the same distance you need to keep over here. Here to here, whatever the distance is there, the same distance you need to keep over here. Here to here, whatever the distance is there, that is the same over here. So now this is the true shape of the section, right? This is what a true shape of the section. See, whatever the distance from here is there, the same distance will be here to here. Whatever the distance from here to here is there, the same distance will be here to here. And whatever the distance from here to here is there, up to point B, the same distance will be up to point B. The distance C and D, here it is the distance C and D, like that. So this is the method to draw the true shape of the section. Okay. So is it clear, everyone? Can you draw this? Please respond me in the chat box. Or you are having any doubt? Okay, no doubt. Very good. If no doubt, you can start the drawing. Okay, repeat last step. Okay, no doubt. Okay. So those who are having not any doubt can just start the drawing. And one is saying to repeat last step. So I am repeating the last step again. So this is the sectional top view and sectional front view, right? Now, if you want to draw the true shape at that time, draw one parallel line over here, parallel to this cutting section. जो भी ये कटिंग सेक्शन है वहां से पैरेलल XY लाइन नहीं बना लो, उसको नाम दे दो X1 Y1. और जो भी ये पॉइंट है सभी से परपेंडिकुलर लाइन बनानी है. You have to draw the perpendicular line from all this point, right? Now measure the point from here to here, right? ये पुरानी XY लाइन है, वहां से A पॉइंट कितना है उतना ही A पॉइंट यहाँ से रखना है. So open the compass is equal to this point to A point. Keep this point as the center and arc. This is the point A. Open the compass from this point to E. Right, this point is the center and arc the point E over here. Open the compass this point to B. This point is the center and make the point over here. Right. Open the compass is equal to this point to D. This point is the center and here it is the D. Open the compass from here to C. This point is the center and here it is the point C. Join all the points. It is our true shape. Right. So now please start the drawing and type done in the chat box when you complete the drawing. I'm waiting. Distance of xy line to a point, right? Yes, the distance of xy line. And from here to here, this distance doesn't matter. You can take the random distance from here to here. Initially, this distance is also doesn't matter. Okay. But here, this distance matters. Okay, after making this top view. Yes, if any still any question query is there, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can just continue with the drawing. And then after type done in the chat box. We will see tutorial book problem also. And also we'll see the development of surface. Yes, hello everyone. I am waiting for your answers. Please type done in the chat box. After completing this example, if you're facing any difficulty, you can ask me. Okay, good. Very quick completion from Prachi. Then Gaurang, Deep, Umar. Very good. Okay, I'm still waiting for students' answer. Please type done when you complete so that we can just move to the next step. Please complete it within 5 minutes. Then after we'll start the next step, and that is development of surface. Okay, so now let's continue to the next step. I have received the answers from yes many students. So those who have not typed the message done yet, kindly complete this example as a part of homework also. Okay. And one more thing, see, soon your semester is going to end, right? So you have to make the submission, and in the submission, each and everything is important, right? You have to submit your sketchbooks in the Google Classroom. We'll post the module wise, chapter wise section in which you have to upload your drawings, right, from the sketchbook. So it's a very important. If you are drawing right now or if you are drawing it later on as a part of homework, that your choice. But term work is very important, right? And for passing criteria, the term work is also important. Passing the subject. Okay. Development of surface, right? Development of surface means what? If you are having any paper, right? If you are having any paper, A4 size paper, and if you fold the paper from the four sides, right? By folding, you can create the box. Am I right? By folding the papers, you can create the box. Now, suppose if you are having a cardboard box, and if you open each and every side, right? If you open each and every side, how it is going to looks like? That is meaning of development of surface. That is meaning of what? A development of surface. अगर आपके पास कोई कार्डबोर्ड का बॉक्स है और उसका हर एक साइड आप ओपन करोगे तो वो कैसा दिखेगा, राइट? दैट इज नोन एज व्हाट? Development of surface. Now this is the, here it is the pentagonal prism, right? And we have to open this pentagonal prism, right? How to open? So if we open the pentagonal prism, it is going to look like this, right? All the sides of pentagonal prism. साइड मतलब इसका रेक्टेंगल ही होगा, तो सभी साइड को आप ओपन कर दो तो एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद एक साइड ओपन हो जाएगी, राइट? एंड इट इज गोइंग टू बी ए शीट. ये मतलब क्या हो गया? पूरा एक शीट बन गया. अब इसको फिर से यहाँ से फोल्ड करोगे आप तो पेंटागोनल प्रिज्म बन जाएगा, राइट? टॉप एंड बॉटम में कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा समझ लो आप. यहाँ पे टॉप पे कुछ नहीं है, बॉटम में भी कुछ नहीं है. ये कुछ ओपन नहीं किया, सिर्फ साइड्स ओपन किया, राइट? Now the condition is what? We have to open this one, not this one, right? After cutting the prism, prism को यहाँ से कट कर दिया, उसके बाद इसको open करना है, right? So for that, what we can do is we are just give the name A B C D E. Then again A will comes here, right? Because if you imagine, अगर आपको यहाँ से फोल्ड करना स्टार्ट करो, सबको ज्वाइन कर दो, तो लास्ट में ये लाइन जो है वो यही बन जाएगी, right? So A will comes first and last also. Now take the projection from all this point A, then after B and E, then after C and D. These are the projection. Okay. Now mark the point A to A, B to B, C to C, and D to D, E to E, and A to A again. Now join the point by straight lines. This is the development of this surface. Okay, this is the development of this surface. If you open the prism, if you open the prism after cutting, it is going to look like this. Okay, so it's a very small drawing. Can you complete this thing in a homework, or do you want to complete it now? Please respond me. Do you want to complete it now? अगर याद रहता है तो ठीक है. Okay, okay, okay. So lots of answer. They are want to do it right now. Okay. वाह, प्राची ब्रिलियंट है, हो गया कंप्लीट. Excellent, Prachi. Okay, so mixed answers are there, homework and now. So do it now. Okay, I'm giving you 5 minutes. So do it now. Development of the surface. Okay, so in the tutorial book, I'm here on the tutorial book. Right. We have completed the example number 1 and 2, right? We have completed the example number 1 and 2. The 3-1 is actually next stage, right? Next level apart from this section. So we'll start with the example number 4, and 3, 5, 6, 7 we'll do it later on, right? Square prism base 45 mm side and 70 mm long has its base in HP. Yes, everyone, please now focus here on the question number 4. Everyone, just leave your work and focus here, because you need to draw this thing from your side also. Square prism, base 45 mm side. First of all, note it down the question. Let me wait. Please note down the question properly. Okay. Square prism, base 45 mm and axis 70 mm long, has its base in HP. Just focus on each and every wording. Square prism is there, right? The base side and axis is 70 mm long. Has its base in HP, means it is resting in HP. And all edges of base are equally inclined to VP. This is the important term, remember. I will explain this thing in the drawing. All edges of base are equally inclined to VP. Means square prism is there, but having the edges are equally inclined to VP when it is resting to HP. It is cut by section plane perpendicular to VP. Right, section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 45 degree to HP. Right, section plane is very easy, such that it bisect the axis. Right, means it is passing from the middle. Draw the sectional top view, sectional side view, and true shape of the section. Right, draw its sectional top view, draw its sectional side view, and true shape of the section. It's a very easy question, right? Repetitively, same question is there. I'm going to explain just starting, then after you have to complete the example. Okay. So I hope that you have just noted down this question. I am just sharing the another screen for solution of this example. Right. Okay, so now I'm connected. In between, there was some network issue was there. Now you can observe the screen. I'm going to solve this example over here. Right. So there is a one square prism is there, right? Square prism, base 45 and axis is 70. Right. It is having the base in HP, means it is resting in HP, and all the edges of base are equally inclined to VP. Okay, so if we draw the XY line, here it is the XY line. It is resting in HP means it is the HP, let us say, and this is the VP, vertical plane. So the top view of this square prism will be in the HP. And how to make the equally inclined, all the baseline, all the edges of base, or we can say baseline, we want to make it equally inclined to VP. So this is the equally inclined. Am I right? This is the top view of square prism, but in this position only, it is going to be inclined at 45 degree to all sides. Right. It is going to incline at 45 degree to all sides in this position only. See, if I put the square prism like this, so two edges are at 90 degree, two are parallel to VP. Right. But in this condition, this condition, all the edges are at 45 degree to the VP. So our condition which is given in the question is going to be satisfied. Right. All the edges of base are equally inclined to VP. So let's make the front view. So taking the projection for the front view, and here it is the name. Let us say this is the point A, B, C, and D. Right. Now make the front view. So front view is going to look like this. Axis height that is given. So as per the axis height, draw this front view. Okay. As per the exercise, draw the front view. Now, the section plane, it is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP in inclined 45 degree to HP, and it is going to bisect the axis. So this is the axis. This is the axis center line. So it is bisecting means the cutting plane is passing through here, and it is going to cut like this. I hope it is going to cut like this because see here I am drawing this thing without measurement. Right. So it may possible that it is going to pass through here. It may be possible that it pass through here. So at that time, the top view is going to change. Right. At that time, the top view is going to change. So for that, you have to do it practically. Right. For that, you have to do it practically. Later on, the rest of things are very easy. Okay. Here is the point A prime. This is the B prime and D prime. This is the C prime. Let us say this is the A1 prime, and likewise here we are making the perpendicular lines for the true side, and we will draw the side view from here. Right. Same as the orthographic projection. Here it is the projection for the side view and upside projection. Then after projection from here. So here we have the side view. Okay. After joining all this point. So that is the similar to the previous case only. Okay. That is the similar to the previous case only. But only change is what? Where this section line is cutting. Okay, that is the very important. So please start the drawing and just tell me at which location this section plane is passing through. Based on that, the top view and side view is going to change. सेक्शन लाइन कहाँ से पास हो रही है उसके हिसाब से इसका चेंज होगा. See, देखो जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे बनाया है ये वर्टिकल एज को कट कर रहा है और ये भी वर्टिकल एज को कट कर रहा है. आपका हो सकता है प्लेन यहाँ से कट करे और यहाँ से कट करे. राइट. So just make the front view and top view and draw this section plane at the 45 degree angle. Then after I will ask randomly students to send me the photograph of this figure, only this figure. Right. so that मुझे पता चले कि यहाँ ये कहाँ से पास हो रहा है. So do it now quickly. I am waiting here and type done in the chat box when you complete these two figures. Only two figures with all dimension correctly. Here the angle is 45 degree and total height that is given 70 mm. And this side is 45 mm and this is the midpoint. Okay, this is what a midpoint. So just complete this two figure, top view and front view, and tell me at which location this section line is passing through. Type done in the chat box after doing this two. Yes, just two. Okay, top view and front view. Draw the XY line, draw the top view, which is 45 degree to all side need to be 45 degree with the XY line. Then after draw the front view and cut the section plane from the middle point at 45-degree angle and type done in the chat box. Yes, please type done in the chat box. And those who complete, send me the photo so that we'll proceed. This line is passing through which location? This is the main question. So you have to just show me the exact location of this section line is passing through which point. So those who have completed, send me the photo quickly in the WhatsApp. Proper image. Okay, please do it fast. And this is the correct location, right? Urva and Gaurang has sent me the photo and found that. Just 1 minute. So whatever the location given in this figure, that is the correct one, right? So you will find this kind of drawings. These locations are correct. Okay, so you can make the side view, right? You can make the side view from here by taking the projection like this. Let us say this is the A, B, C, D, and these are the projection upside, and horizontal projection from here. So after joining this point, you will get the final view. In the side view, it is going to look like this. If you match the point, right? So this is the section view. This is the section view, and the top view will also become the sectional view. Top view will also become the sectional view. Right. And the remaining thing is what? A section, true shape. So for the true shape, you have to make the perpendicular line from here and draw the parallel line to this xy line, parallel to this xy line. I think there is a no any space. But now the true shape is very easy, right? What you need to do is you have to make the points like this. See, this is the point A, so this is the point A. A will be here somewhat over here. Here will be the point B and D will be like this, and this is the point. Last one, just a minute. Here will be the point, so it is going to look like this. So this kind of true shape you will find. Okay. Due to the space limitation, I can draw up to here only. Right. So the procedure that we already seen in the pentagonal prism, the similar procedure is here, and this is the figure, final figure for this example. Example number 4 of the tutorial book. So complete the example now. Okay, complete the example now, and also complete the attendance now in the chat box. ओके अटेंडेंस के टाइम पे सब जाग जाते हैं. ओके तुषार मंडानी received your figure. तुषार good, excellent work. From Tushar Gorang, and who was the third one? Urva. Yes, complete the attendance and also complete this drawing. Okay, complete this drawing. Then after type done in the chat box. After completing this drawing, what you need to do: front view, top view. Sorry, front view, top view. Then after section line, sectional top view, sectional side view, and true shape of the section. That's it. Okay. The procedure is similar to the previous one. So if you're facing any difficulty, any queries there, you can ask me anytime. Otherwise, just complete this drawing and type done in the chat box. Please take the screenshot of this figure if you need the reference. Actually, it's a little bit confusing, so I'm not going to keep this thing in the screen. I'm just removing it. Just take the screenshot if you want to use it. Okay, so this is the real representation, right? How it looks like in your case. The direction is opposite. You have to consider this thing in this direction, right? We have just keep it left side. In this drawing, it is at the right side, but there is no any difference. You can take the left side or right side. That doesn't matter. But this is for your reference how it is looks like after completing the drawing. You can take the screenshot for reference also. And one more thing that I want to add over here, right? In the same example, if the line is not passing from this side, if it is passing from here, at that time what happens? Let us see. So it's a very important. Just 1 minute. So this is the another figure, right? Where the line is not passing from here. See, line is not passing. In our case, the line is passing from here and here. But here, the line is passing from the top side, top or maybe from the bottom side, right? If it is passing from there, at that time, what will happen? See, here from the front view, if it is cutting from here, here it is only having the 1 point to cut. But it is cutting from here, at that time, there will be a 2 new points. यहाँ पे 2 नए पॉइंट बन जाएंगे and if you observe in the true shape also there will be a 2 points, right? So this is the difference if it is cutting from here or if it is cutting from here, right? ये difference रहेगा, इसलिए मैंने आपको पहले drawing करने के लिए बोला ताकि समझ में आए कि 45 डिग्री एंगल वाली जो लाइन है वो कहाँ से पास हो रही है। अगर यहाँ से पास होती तो यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट होते, यहाँ से पास हो रही है इस लाइन से तो यहाँ पे एक ही पॉइंट है, सिमिलर टू दिस वन, राइट? So if you are having any query, any confusion, you can ask me in the chat. If you are having any query, any questions, you can ask me in the chat box. Otherwise, you can continue with the drawing and type done after completing this drawing, right? Yes, everyone, just type done in the chat box after completing this drawing. I'm waiting. If you're having any issue, any doubt, any queries, any questions, you can ask me. I'm available here. Okay, no doubt. Okay. No need to type the attendance again. Once you have given, then it's okay. Okay, if you're not having any query, any questions, you can leave the session. Thank you. Okay, so here we are ending up the session for today. Type your attendance if pending. I'm closing the session from here now.